My name is Ron Leerheim. I work at Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences and I organize honors things for my university, my colleagues and some students.
Well, I'm Sylvia Erlings. I come from the Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences and I'm here because I coach students in the honors program.
Hello, my name is Julius and I study applied psychology on the Hogeschool Leiden.
Hello everybody, I'm Persijn. I study at Wageningen University. I study molecular life sciences.
I got acquainted with the Partners in the Park idea from the United States of America, and they take students, groups of students, into the great national parks they have. They have two purposes. The first is to make sure students get to know these parks, because they found out these students hardly know the parks and the beautiful nature in there. And the second is also very important, to make them aware of the fragility of nature. And hopefully with that idea they can make sure these students will be sustainable in the future for taking decisions, etc.
The idea of the Waddenlab is that they do research on the Waddenzee and that they give workshops, so we all share this knowledge and we learn a lot about the Waddenzee, and it's really inspiring.
I participated because it seemed like a great chance to get to know this area of the Netherlands better and to do some interdisciplinary cooperation, which I think is a really nice part of honors.
I went on Waddenlab because I really like sailing. It's also nice to meet honors students from other institutions.
For a great amount of things it is what I expected. The main thing is people are meeting each other, they work together, they get to know each other, and they work from different institutes with each other. That's the best part.
So far what I like best is making plasters, and we did a workshop and we made plasters in the parts that were dry in the Waddenzee, and so we casted some plaster and they're really beautiful.
I did really like explaining about astronavigation, so my own workshop was really fun to do, and I really liked the workshop about the tides because you can experience what you learned like over and over again.
Yeah, I really like the sailing and the way the ship functions, so which lines we have to pull to do to achieve a different thing, and I've really learned a lot about it. And furthermore, I really like the birds that are in the Wadden area. I try to make pictures of them as much as possible and try to find birds that I haven't seen before.
I think it's important to take students to this kind of nature. As you see, it's water and some islands in a first quick glance, you might say, but it's more complicated, much more complicated even than the first glance makes you think. So making things more complex, making it work like a system, you might say, making students aware of that system is very important.
My connection to the Waddenzee is, well, I love to go to the islands. Part of Holland I like very much.
I think that we have a very special ecosystem or combination of ecosystems here, and I think I now understand it more, so I have more of an insight into what makes the Wadden important and why they need to be protected.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the Waddenlab, and I'm planning to enjoy this last long day as well. And I hope the people of Waddenlab will keep seeing each other, and I will definitely return to the Wad at some point.
I hope everybody liked it. We will see that when we have finished, and I hope for the future that we will be able to organize more of this kind of trips. It would be very nice, I think.